We are getting ready to head out to the Festival of Speed, hang out with the boys from Electrified Garage. All right guys, welcome back to the channel. We are getting ready to head out to Ocala for the Festival of Speed show. We're super stoked, man. We're gonna go out there and hang out with the boys from Electrified Garage. The last time you saw the C10, we were out in that parking lot and Andrew was ripping out some tires pretty good. We're excited because I don't know if you guys remember back in the SEMA time, we had a special guest driving our truck out in Sonoma, and I think he's gonna be there again. So our hopes are we're gonna get him back in the truck and see if he's gonna enjoy it a little bit more. We did get a nice new trailer. If you guys were watching us going to SEMA, and you remember all that trouble we had with our trailer.
We haven't made it to SEMA yet.
No.
And we're ready having some issues.
While they're in there having fun and playing with cool tools, I get to replace all this 3/4 inch rotten plywood so we can pull the truck in and out. Yay! It is a little bit in better shape. Last time we had to go through all kinds of stuff, putting gunnies on. So now we're just got the Boston's on, so if this works, it's definitely save us some time. Come on back. No. I don't think so. We gotta put the gunnies on.
This seems like deja vu.
Dude, not the one. Not right now.
I mean, the body barely fits, huh? All right, you gotta put those other wheels on here.
Last that I know, DOT regulates how big the trailers are.
How are we looking on the sides?
Lock her up.
The irony of us towing an electric truck with a diesel truck at $5.65 per gallon.
Welcome to the World Equestrian Center. Yeah, rolling up to the gate, I already feel out of place. Okay. There's not gonna be any square bodies here. Definitely gonna be like a lot of Ferraris.
Show mode is acquired. All right, so we got our fenders on the truck. It's looking more complete. I feel like I haven't seen the fenders on the truck since like this December. About to get this thing pulled inside the venue here. Mike's parking up the trailer.
All right, we're sitting in the staging area. We're about to go into the event and meet up with the boys from Electrified Garage and hang out with a bunch of electric cars. We're pumped. Seems like a big dollar kind of event with a lot of high-end cars, and they're looking at us like we're a bunch of roughnecks.
Well, we're waiting. The show was supposed to start right around 10 o'clock and it is 10:06. But that's okay because we're chilling. We are watching S2S Love build videos inside the Tesla truck. All right, we're parked up. Giving it that mother shine.
Oh yeah. Before things get too crazy out here, I figured I was gonna take a little walk around and see some pretty cool cars and builds that are out here. Like this Jaguar, man, look at this thing. Oof. Damn, that is sexy. Wow. Comes equipped with a T-set. How lovely. Over here you got a bunch of Maseratis and Porsches. My stance is if you could go to a dealership and buy it and everybody could have it, it's not that cool. I mean, sure, it's fun to drive around in a twin turbo 911 Porsche. This one's kind of cool. This one's old. Kind of reminds me of Bisimoto's EV swap Porsche. This right here, it's got my name written all over it. A blown Rolls Royce, baby. That's what's up. Little spray action. That looks like a 345 or something.
That's a lot of meat.
You call me Uncle Todd.
What's up, Uncle Todd? Nice to meet you, sir. You gonna start it?
No, it's so loud.
Does it have a Hemi in it?
Yeah, 572.
A 572 Hemi.
We ended up having a guy named Ernie McDaniels built the chassis. He passed away, but he did the race car. It's a toll tube chassis.
You guys recognize these door handles? Oh yeah. Look at this guy. What the hell are you looking at? You ain't looking at me. That's actually a pretty nice little car too. It's a big block. Sounds awesome. Tube chassis. This looks like a lot of fun too, man. This might be one of my faves. This looks like a lot of fun on a weekend to go cruise around and hit the beach.
Big boss car. Got the suicide doors on it. Oh yeah, I need this. Okay, driver. Where are we going next?
Okay,
Scared the shit out of that lady who was in the front. Some Mazdas over here. We got some new Mazdas. Ooh, and we got a first gen RX-7. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Old school. Is this gonna be the top pick of the show? I don't know. It's gonna be tough finding something better than this.
This guy's tired. He's taking a nap. Hope you got sunscreen on. That about wraps it up, man. Not a whole lot of like custom stuff out here. I don't know, maybe later on when everybody leaves we could get some burnouts or something. Let's go talk to Rich Rebuilds.
All right, so I'm here in version 2 of this wonderful truck. And when we did revision 1 of the truck, it definitely wasn't as refined as this one. There were a lot of squeaks, rattles, and noises, and the suspension wasn't dialed in. It's not squeaking and rattling. I mean, you hear little squeaks, it's an older truck, but like listen.
Yeah.
All you hear is road noise.
Yeah, all you hear is the tires.
There's actual suspension now, which feels incredible.
Yeah, that's the best part of it. It used to kill my soul driving it with like no suspension.
So what's this? Is this on?
That's the high voltage. That's
Okay.
high voltage on.
So that's the emergency cutoff. You push that button, it just kills all the high voltage?
The high voltage will cut.
All right, so don't push that.
Yeah.
Ignition is obviously start.
Yep.
It's funny how I'm asking this now that I'm actually driving the truck. It's like, how does this thing work? So,
Give me the rule book after I'm done.
Oh my, how do you guys deal with the torque steering? That's incredible. Now don't get me wrong, it's not a bad thing because I love it. This truck is definitely teaching you how to drive like a man. Yeah. Because there's just so much power.
Yeah, there's a lot of torque in the front wheels.
I could drive this all day. This thing gets all kinds of attention. I've had like 10 people just freak out looking at this thing already, man. Because you never see anything like it. You never see anything that's like, it's pretty much like a tube chassis with like a small body on top of it, you know what I mean? It's awesome. Dude, this is a completely different car than it was before.
Oh, totally, right? I think what we could do is maybe take the fender flares off, put the Vossens on the back, and do some burnouts. Oh, yeah, that worked. You want to go in the truck and sit with him?
That's fine. All right, you ready for this? I'm gonna crawl into this car. This is a very convenient bar, by the way. That's not removable, right?
Not yet.
All right, so you think in the second variation, when I buy this thing, you could remove this
we'll
on
put
like
pins on it.
pins. I can remove it easily.
Yeah.
Okay. And can you add a third seat in the middle?
You want a
Can you do
third
that?
seat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right here. I need a box. When I go to Home Depot, I gotta be able to put stuff back
Your
here.
mulch?
My mulch.
Okay. Top secret mulch compartment.
Let's do this. Okay.
I don't
know what happened.
Father, please protect my friends as they're...
Do you pray every single time someone goes into this car?
I do pray a lot.
All right, so now we're doing the thing. There's some previous tire marks right there. And let's see what this thing could do. Woo! Now we're talking. One second, hold on, wait. Is the smoke still there? Yeah. Hold on. Thumbnail.
What do you think, bro?
That was sick, man.
Did you kind of yourself?
Yes.
A little
Dude,
peek came out.
why was it blowing
Green?
green and yellow smoke?
Well, because those tires are from China.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That was very impressive. And the fact that he was able to do that burnout with a tight space,
Bro.
that's amazing, man. That's amazing.
I don't have the cojones to do
Right.
that.
Not only that, but also, just to let everyone know, we did ask permission from the property owner to do this.
We pulled permits.
We pulled permits. Dude, this is dope, man.
I mean, we
Thank
we
you.
drove here 4 hours literally for that, basically.
Dude, that was-
I mean, the show was a bonus. That was a...
He's being a menace.
Yeah.
No, again, dude, just add the middle seat.
Middle seat, compartment.
Compartment back. Does that bed, the tailgate go down?
Yes.
Oh, you know what? You're all set. You know why? Build a box right here. And that way when you close it, the box is in it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be a lot easier.
Box is nice.
Just send me an invoice.
All right, guys, well, that's a wrap. We had a great time in Ocala at Festival of the Speed. As you see, I am back in the shop, which means it's back to work. Yeah, it was great to see Rich rebuilds again. I'm super stoked that he enjoyed the truck. He did give us a laundry list of things that he wanted us to fix so he could buy it, maybe. Anyways, Festival of Speed was cool. We had a great time. There was really a very awesome, classy group of people out there. It was super cool to hang out and rub elbows with the finer echelon of individuals in this world. What you got, Andrew?
I'm looking for a place to put this cool crystal trophy thing that we got.
What is that?
It's an award. Best custom at Festival of Speed.
Best custom. So I got
Didn't even know we were entered.
We won best custom of the show with our EV truck. Go figure. Well, listen, guys, as you see in the shop, we have all kinds of new stuff going on. Over there is a new project. Over here is a new project. There's an old project, but it's a good one. If you guys are enjoying the content, go over to the website. The link is in the description below. Check out some swag, man. We got all kinds of cool stuff for sale. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Peace. What is that thing? Oh, it's a Shelby Mustang.
I love the green smoke. It's almost like a gender reveal. If it was like pink, it's a girl.
This guy's tired. He's taking a nap. I hope you got sunscreen on.